Bitcoin's recent 7% drop after Trump's announcement of a 100% China tariff caused a ripple across markets, but according to Grok AI, the bigger picture for Bitcoin remains bullish. Grok predicts that Bitcoin could soon climb toward the 150K mark, keeping its long-term uptrend intact. And while that forecast excites many traders, the real breakout potential may lie in Bitcoin Hyper. Hyper, a project designed to bring Solana-level speed and Web3 capabilities to Bitcoin. Despite the sharp correction, Bitcoin's weekly candle is still positioned above the 20 EMA and hasn't even touched the 50 EMA, suggesting strong momentum and structural support. Compared to the 2020 crash when Bitcoin dropped over 60% and breached multiple EMAs, today's setup looks much more stable. The long-standing upward trend line that fueled Bitcoin's previous rallies between 2024 and 2025 remains intact, hinting that the market's foundation is still bullish. Even if Bitcoin does move back toward 135K or 150K, those gains around 20% from current levels are modest by crypto standards. That's why many investors are now focusing on Bitcoin-themed altcoins with asymmetric upside, and this is where Bitcoin Hyper stands out. Bitcoin Hyper is a new Layer 2 built to supercharge Bitcoin's capabilities using the Solana Virtual Machine, SVM. It offers lightning-fast transaction speeds, sub-second execution, and drastically lower fees, transforming Bitcoin from a store of value into a full-fledged Web3 powerhouse. Where Bitcoin manages about 7 transactions per second, Bitcoin Hyper's SVM infrastructure can process tens of thousands. The project's key innovation is its canonical bridge, a decentralized system that locks users' Bitcoin on the main chain and mints equivalent tokens on the Bitcoin Hyper Layer 2. This lets users interact with DeFi protocols, NFTs, lending platforms, and gaming dApps directly with their Bitcoin, and when they're done, they can redeem their original BTC anytime. In short, Bitcoin Hyper doesn't replace Bitcoin, it enhances it. By integrating Solana's parallel processing and scalability into Bitcoin's secure foundation, it could finally make BTC usable for modern Web3 applications without sacrificing safety. Currently, Hyper is in pre-sale, priced at just $105. The project has already raised over $23.2 million, with whale investors joining in, including one who bought 28K worth of Hyper in a single transaction. Early buyers can also earn up to 50% APY by staking their tokens. Analysts predict the token could reach $0.20 by the end of 2025, which would represent a gain of over 1,400% from its current level, positioning Hyper as one of the most promising Bitcoin ecosystem plays in years. If Grok's forecast proves right, and Bitcoin climbs toward 150K, Layer 2 solutions like Bitcoin Hyper could be among the biggest beneficiaries, merging Bitcoin's dominance with the speed and innovation of Solana. The Bitcoin Hyper presale is live now. Visit the official website to buy Hyper and access staking rewards before the next price stage.